Thanks, Courtney.
Yeah, hi guys. She's our friend. Yay! It's our first time in People's Mover. Thank you, Courtney. Yay! Let's go.
Right this way.
Yeah, this way.
Town. This way. No, I love ice cream, so that's why I definitely know where it's close. You too?
You want ice cream? Yeah. Let's go.
I'll get the.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Got it?
Oh, we could go anywhere.
Or either one.
Let's go.
Yeah.
So what is this area?
There is
Is it
a
a mall?
hotel casino
hotel.
out there. Yeah.
It's like yeah.
Yeah. See, I told you it's close, right?
Like Twilight Zone. Yeah.
Things like this.
Right here.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's go. Choose Auntie Courtney.
This one.
This one. Somewhere over the rainbow.
That looks good.
Yeah. So mine is strawberry blonde. How about you? So how about you, Papa? Our strawberry blonde and peanut butter cup. Ah,
I like it for me.
Okay.
Definitely.
The small one. Yeah, all of them.
I want the small one.
Yeah. Yeah, yummy, Papa. Look, yummy. Really? Can you finish all of those? Let's go, Papa. Yeah.
I just think it's cool, like the lights.
Oh, yeah.
I just think it looks pretty.
Oh, thank you, Courtney.
And there's like other restaurants here.
yeah.
Yeah, fun.
You want to go with Auntie Courtney?
Oh no!
That's
Yay! Big win! Yeah. Let's see. You can fit under,
Or you can go with Auntie Courtney.
or maybe let's try to go out this one. Oh.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Kuya, what did you say about the people mover?
When we go to one of the cities, I want to use the people mover.
Why?
Because it's fast and it's a few minutes or 10.
Yeah.
Or it's until 10 minutes.
And there's art at every stop. Look,
Yeah.
here's the art at this station. Another mosaic.
Mosaic, yeah. Another mosaic. Yeah, the people here love arts. Yeah?
Yes, definitely.
Because there are a lot of murals. Yeah. I like it. By the way,
Okay,
guys,
let's
we
see
have an
some
artist
art.
here, and
Yeah.
next time we will go to her art
Next
or
weekend.
exhibit.
So we have two options. Either
Yeah.
we can go in there first. It's right. The entrance is right here. Or we can see these things, which you can spin, and
Oh,
then
yeah.
come back on this side to go.
Okay,
inside.
yeah, we go there first. Kuya, let's go. Where's the artist?
Their art stage name is Raw Design.
Oh, okay. That's why it's difficult for me to look. It's Raw Design. Okay, that's the name. Just a group. Hi,
Oh,
so
look at that.
big. Kuya, look.
Big dog.
Oh, hello. Oh, yeah, can we touch? Hello. Hi, Ellie. Nice. Kuya, you want to touch? You don't. Sorry about that. Kuya, say hello. 7, hello. You're so huge.
Do you wanna pet?
Kuya, you pat him.
It's
Her.
okay.
Yeah, she's so friendly. Look at. So come on. Hello. She's so cute. Oh, no. Look. Thank you. Okay, have a great day. Thank you. It's so huge. Wow.
Shall we go in?
Yeah. Let's go there. Let's go to
We're
Book
gonna
Tower.
go
I saw
into
that.
there. Yes.
Can we go? Can we go inside?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Look, Kuya, look, Papa, look. All we need is confidence.
Yes. Just as if you belong. That's it.
Kuya, go. Yeah. Kuya, look. Yeah. Wow, Papa, look. Wow.
That's the. Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, this is it. Let's see if we can go inside.
Oh, yeah. Hi,
This is
guys.
the
So,
thing
dinala
about
kami
the-
dito ni Courtney sa Book Tower.
This is the
And-
exhibit about the history of the restoration of this building.
Wow.
And we can see from the early 1900s.
Papa, look.
It is.
Wow.
And just look.
Wow. Oh my goodness, this is
gonna
it.
take
The
a
one that I look. Wow. That's nice. Papa, you walk here. Yeah, nice.
And so there's like a restaurant. This is check-in for the hotel. And then at night, there's access to the roof. It's like a restaurant bar.
Oh yeah,
But you
I
need
saw
to have
that
a
on YouTube
reservation.
also, and it's
It
so
looks
green.
amazing.
It's so nice. Yeah. No,
We can't
can't
right now.
We can't.
Yeah. MGM Grand is like the most famous hotel casino.
Because here
Here.
in Detroit, there's
Yeah.
the MGM Grand.
Yeah.
Right.
And if you stay there, you can go to the spa area for free. So when we moved here, we came here from our honeymoon.
Yeah.
So we didn't have a place yet.
Yeah.
So we stayed there for a few days. And it's really relaxing.
That's
So much
nice.
so that last Christmas we didn't travel. We did a staycation
Uh-huh.
and we stayed there
Oh,
and just
alright.
went to the pool, and it's very relaxing. It's actually voted the number one indoor pool in Michigan, the whole state.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I see. That's cool. I didn't know there's so much, in each building.
Yeah.
To me, it's just like tall, high buildings, wondering what's inside, like what people do there. Yeah, but it's the life of the city people, as they call it. So, New York is pretty much like this.
Way
Or much
more.
crowded. Way
Much
more.
Way more people, way more buildings.
Yeah, much
We
more
couldn't
crowded.
see this much sky
Oh, really?
because there would be so many buildings.
Ooh. And the cars as well. The traffic.
Oh, the
so
traffic is crazy.
crazy.
Yeah. It's arriving. Look, it's coming from this way.
Train is arriving!
Train is arriving. Where is it coming from? Oh, here. Yeah.
Let's go on.
Let's go. Hala, nalaglag. Papa, nalaglag yung ano. Wait, kuya. I will not be left behind. I'm just looking for the...
For a video to see that.
You're welcome.
Nice.
Yeah, just stop.
Okay.
This really needed to somehow probably was more in line with everyone. Yeah, no. The video. The next station is Michigan Avenue.
She's our friend, yeah. She's touring us around the area. We haven't gone much there, so yeah, we're using a Uber, yeah.
And look at the princess.
Oh yeah, look at the princess.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
And we're going to be able to see the spirit of Detroit. This is Harp Plaza.
Hi guys, so dito na kami sa pinanggalingan namin kanina. So, ayan yung mural. Yan.
Mama, let's go.